Isipho sikaMabusi sokuba umelaphi wendabuko siyaqhubeka nokudlondlobala, kanti-ke uSiphamandla uthole iy'ncwadi ezayikade ibhalwe uMabusi ey'bhayela uVulindlela ngesikhathi sacabanga ukuthi umkhokha uzomthatha and isimo asisihle kahle emndenini-ke wakoMvelase. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on umkhokha from the 24th to the 28th of June 2024 on Monday. Mabusi gets communication from the higher power. The Gumedes are encircled by a strange feeling. It's over for Zisebenzele on Tuesday. Siphamandla studies the content of Mabusi's letter intently, and the wheel of emotions comes to the fore. The Mthembu family is turned upside down by Mabusi's letters from the future on Wednesday. Siphamandla appreciates Mthembu's protection of his family. Ndlovu's greedy and the ambitions escalate. Ntombi is on cloud 9 after Zisebenzele as promised on Thursday. The healer in Mabusi is rising, bringing contentment. Ndlovu's greed knows no bounds. Zisebenzele continues to court his Queen of Sheba on Friday. Mabusi's gift is celebrated and raises Zamcolo's status. Sibahle wraps her father's new riches in the face of peers. Ntombi pays dearly for dating a two-timer. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.